My name is Divya N and I work as an assistant professor in the Department of Fashion Communication at Nift, Chennai. This Fashion Spectrum 2023 titled Mirage, we have collaborated with Maybell to put up a very interesting and exquisite summer fashion show.
This is Anita Manohar and I am the director of Nift, Chennai. My association with Maybell is very special. Right from the time we began Nift, Chennai at Cooptics, it's almost 27-28 years. So I'm very happy to be associated with Sridhar Venkatesh and Madhavi. They've been a lovely couple. I have seen them come and get familiar and of course hone their knowledge in fashion, apparel, making and fabric. And I think their dedication is what led them to be where they are today.
The whole idea is this collection is for a woman or a group of women who like to dress up, have fun and appreciate how beautiful they are for themselves. It's a very casual, breezy sort of a summer collection which you can wear and go out with your friends for brunch or lunch or something. But at the same time, styled very differently, this can also be worn to office or this can be worn to college.
Nift, I know Nift for the past 25 years. I've been associated with this Nift from 1999. What we have done from there is that every year we have been associating with them on taking the children from there and training them over a period of time. I think it's 25 years, I think we would have taken more than at least 25 to 30 students we have taken as an employee. What Nift people have done to us is that they add in terms of design, in terms of the freshness to the garment, they give the freshness to the garment. In terms of the innovation, I think whole a lot, I think Maybell has benefited, or in terms of the contribution that the designers had made to Maybell was really huge, one. Second, I can talk about the Nift contribution to the society as a whole. Their contribution to the society is huge. For the past 20-30 years after the Nift came inside, I think the fashion has improved a lot in terms of textile, in terms of so many things. The country in terms of fashion and design has improved a lot. Very important to Maybell is that they have a department known as Handloom and Handicraft. Very important part of this one. Our association there is also very important because Maybell reflects the South Indian art, culture and the craft, because one of the treasures of the Indian treasures are there, so they need to preserve about that. So this all, I think only the Chennai Nift takes up all this. So I've been associating with them and it's a very happy association for the past 25 years. Nift has been supporting us in terms of resources, in terms of their student, and we are also being able to support them, becoming their sponsors and so on. Thank you so much.